Hi, my name is Rachel, and I welcome you to Deliciously Easy Keto Recipes. Today's keto recipe is keto, strawberry, cheesecake, fat, bombs. Preparation time for this recipe is 1 hour. Servings for this recipe are 3 fat bombs. Ingredients: 30 grams of strawberries, fresh or frozen, diced, 100 grams, cream cheese, softened, 1 tablespoon, coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, erythritol, and 1/3 cup, coconut flour. Procedure: puree the strawberries and erythritol in a food processor. Add remaining ingredients and blend until smooth. Divide the dough into balls and chill until ready to serve. Nutritional information: it contains 146 kilocalories of energy, 2.6 grams, 7% of proteins, 14 grams, 85% of fat, 3 grams, 8% of carbohydrates, and 0.8 grams of fiber. Now, let's prepare the fat bombs. Puree the 30-gram strawberries and 1 tablespoon erythritol in a food processor. Blend maximum for 1 minute. Then, add 100 grams cream cheese, softened, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and blend in the food processor until it becomes smooth. Then, add 1/3 cup of coconut flour. Now shape the dough into small balls and chill. Strawberry cheesecake fat bombs are ready to serve. Disclaimer: my video description contains affiliate links, which means that if you click on one of the product links, or make a purchase, I may receive a small commission. Using my affiliate links will help me support the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel excited, then please like and subscribe our channel.